Yeah, stay yeah, I've got a call to yeah, Watching a boss coming represent for Jamaica worst gamer, 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. You don't know.
Yo. What is up, JAMAICA'S? Come here with another reaction. Move. Today we are with Daps. Yes, Daps, the ladies' man. Yes, the ladies' favorite with Lockdown. Lockdown. So you know it's a Valentine's Day today. So I'm going to be a love song today. Be a love song. No matter which era. This era, that era, the next era. And if, yeah, you know what I think? Valentine's Day. Let's big up myself. I'm going to jump in and see what the G have to say. Let's go. Ladies, brace on yourself. Yes. Ladies, brace on yourself.
I've been staying in lately. Outside been too much for me. Spending quality time with my baby.
Woo!
'Cause outside been too much for me. I could be somewhere out there in the club, but I'm here with you making love.
Yeah.
There's beauty inside when two lovers locked down.
With your clean.
With it like for real. And I like it.
One Dexta. No pussy. Only a few artists in dancehall can drop them song like this. Dexta one of them, obviously. Javi, the next one of them, of course. Ready?
Outside been too much for me. Spending quality time with my baby. 'Cause outside been too much for me.
Ladies!
I could be somewhere out there in the club, but I'm here with you making love.
Happy Valentine's Day, ladies!
There's beauty inside when two lovers locked down. Where did I go wrong? With it like for real. And I like when you. Why did I care? I've been raised by these streets and I've learned there's no bed out there.
Yeah, the man said, I've been raised by these streets and I've learned that there's no bed out there. When my time in bed, locked down with them girl, I fuck them.
Raised by these streets and
Happy Valentine's Day, ladies! Yeah, big up on the side if you want to celebrate it. Yeah. Big up on the side if you don't celebrate it neither.
I've been staying in lately.
Love is 365 days a year.
Outside been too much for me. Spending quality time with my baby.
Ooh.
'Cause outside been too much for me. I could be somewhere out there in the club, but I'm here with you making love. There's beauty inside when two lovers locked down. Where did I go wrong? With it like for real. And I like when you. Why did I care? I've been raised by these streets and I've learned there's no bed out there. Ooh, let me out, let me out. Where did I go wrong? With it like for real. And I like when you. Why did I care? I've been raised by these streets and I've learned there's no bed out there. Just a cool let me out with my girl.
Popcorn! Not the unruly boss.
Tired of them in the robot from over man. Yes, I was a careless cause I am the son of one option. Family, everything I am a focus on.
Shit.
Big up the promoter, man. Put me my hoodie, tell him make we keep on that dance.
Yeah. Man man say big up the promoter Dan. Remember, no him say big up the promoter man. Remember who they tell you to keep your own dance. He say make me keep my own dance. Call it sit down for me cocky Sunday. So I tell us the member say, I him this say make you keep your own dance and stay inside.
Big up the promoter man. But remember who they tell him make we keep on a dance. Better rock and pillar jam only reserved for two.
Better rock and pillar jam.
Peace inside of you. Where did I go wrong? Did it like for real?
International artist, you know.
Why did I care? I've been raised by these streets and I've learned there's no bed out there. Cool, I'm here with me here. Where did I go wrong? Did it like for real? Did I like with you? Why did I care? I've been raised by these streets and I've learned there's no bed out there. Just a cool little yard with me here.
Yeah, man. Cool out of my yard with big girl. Anti-social when it comes to the rest of the world. Yeah, man.
Sharing this moment of love that's so potent. Nothing else matters. This love can't be broken. And no need for holding the clock. Time is just frozen. Make love, it's not enough. I'm staying home with you. Juliet, Romeo. Who is this calling my phone? I'm with my baby at home. Where did I go wrong? Did it like for real? How did I like with you? Why did I care? I've been raised by these streets and I've learned there's no bed out there. Cool, I'm here with me here. Where did I go wrong? Did it like for real? How did I like with you? Why did I care? I've been raised by these streets and I've learned there's no bed out there. Just a cool little yard with me here.
One Dexta. Bumba Club.
Cool little yard with me here.
Bumba Club. Lockdown. Cool down on my yard with me girl. What you mean, Dexta? Valentine's Day, ladies. If your man want take you out and take you go a party, ask your man say if you have bumbo clot soundbox. Ask your man say if you had Dex, if you had laptop. Tell the man say now got a blood clot dance for Valentine's Day. Make the man do something nice and spontaneous for you. Now make him carry on a blood clot dance like your speaker box, baby. Now depend that. Yes. And make sure say you treat your man nice too. Yes. You want flowers and chocolate? Make sure you put on the sexy lingerie for the man later on. For boss it off. Make me keep my own dance. Call it sit down for my cocky Sunday. Alright. But yeah. No man carry on a blood clot dance for the Valentine's Day. Yeah, no speaker box. No. Big up yourself, ladies. If you don't know, say you don't have somebody in life that treat you nice. Big up the single ladies, them same way too. When you say you them happy in their own skin and them good. Yes, they don't need a man to make them feel loved. They are loved. Yes, big up the ladies there. Yes, alright? So, it's the ladies I'm here today. Valentine's Day. Look out for some more. Look out for some more reaction today. With Lovers Rock. Lovers me are going to today. Be a lovers, alright? I'll catch you guys in the late next one. Peace!
I've got a call to watching a Basque make represent for Jamaica Worst Game, 𝐑𝐂𝐊𝐈𝐎𝐍. You don't know.